In 2008, the Ministry of Education and Sports directed the teaching of physical education as a core subject mandatory in all secondary schools. The teaching of physical education and participation in sports activities in secondary schools was to widen avenues for talent identification and call for a framework for talent development. In 2012, the Ministry of Education and Sports established 32 schools in the whole country as sports schools, which would provide a perfect environment wherein identified sports talents could be nurtured while the students continue with their studies. Although sports are noticeably a required aspect for the development and avenue of income in Uganda, it has been reported that most schools do not have playgrounds to help students discover and develop this profitable talent. The Information Minister, Dr. Baryomunsi, said the government has come up with a policy to govern physical education in all schools.
We considered the policy on national physical education and sports, and we passed it. The policy also is aimed at overseeing and supporting the strengthening and the development of the professional sports industry in the country, and also to put in place an effective framework for governance, management, administration, delivery, sustainable development, and financing of quality sports at all levels.
He added that the government intends to push the initiative by repairing public stadiums and constructing others.
Every school must have a playground. And as government, we are also going to construct the stadia, at least one in every zone, and the bigger one at the regional level, in addition to the national stadia that we have, plus many other sporting infrastructure.
Baryomunsi also said that this policy comes in not to only support the education fraternity boost sports, but to also help in addressing health concerns.
We should have a culture of sporting in the country, whether in school but even out of school. It has health benefits.
Meanwhile, it has been revealed that the national population census that was previously scheduled to take place this year, 2023, has been slated to happen on the 10th of May 2024, and it is expected to be one that sees the employment of the digital trend to have easy and accurate information acquired.
We are going to use a method called the de facto method. So now the night of 9th leading to 10th shall be the census night. So we mark one night as a reference point, and then we count people who spend the night in Uganda on that night. The enumeration will take a period of like 10 days, and we declared that day, 10th May, as a public holiday.